Morning everybody, it's a beautiful Friday here at the rectory. I've been away all week, so I've not really seen what's been going on really. So I've got loads to do this weekend. And also I haven't put a video out this week, apart from the one on Monday, I think, which was the part one of the garden design. So I'm going to just chuck some things together this morning, get it out, which is a bit of a collection of things over the last week. But things to look at this week: tomatoes are going crazy, they need a bit of attention. We've got other things going on in the greenhouse. We've got foxgloves which we've planted are starting to seed. We've got things like this over here. This is a hydrangea, I think, cutting that I did. I've got 4 of those, so they're doing all right. We've got some lettuce up there. These are the sweet peppers, which are doing all right. I think we might need to think out where I'm going to put those because they're not flowering yet. And then we've got things like the meadow needs cutting, the lawn needs cutting, the raspberries, gooseberries, all of that need picking. I think we need to make something with that. So anyway, that's a bit of a ramble, loads to do, so I'll get on with it. And plus I've got work to do as well today, so obviously all of this is for later, just in case anybody was watching from work. I will be working. Let's speak to you soon. Okay, as part of our next job is to lay a path down by the compost bins, so that when we get the flowers out, there's a bit more of a workable area around here. So let's get digging. Well, that's the path done. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's just a means to get to the compost heap from the grass and the lawn. And then we're going to put some stones down here and then start to border this around with some other rocks and stones that I found in the back behind the shed. So we'll put those down, and then that'll sort of set the area for the new plants to go. So I'll get on with that before, see how long I've got, an hour, see how we go. So come back soon.
after a busy weekend and very productive, I'm really happy. Just have to look behind me, and it was great to see a few bees already on the plants, and giving them a good water. Dog seems happy. All right, Hugo. And it started to rain. Just about time to water the garden. So there we go. One part of our garden design completed, and we've got the lupins in there. We've got foxgloves. We've got other plants with Latin names that I can't really pronounce, but they look nice. So let's look forward to this starting to grow and flourish through the summer and into the autumn as it just starts to rain.